Very good morning to one and all. My name is Aditi Ramdas Bari, a student of Deep Education Society, SAS Institute of Management. I study. Today I am going to present a PPT on e-commerce. My topic name is types of payment system. Commodity use payment method types. Credit cards. These are the most common way for customers to pay online. As a global payment solution, merchants can reach out to an international market with credit cards by integrating a payment gateway into their business. Mobile payments. It is a popular payment method in countries with low credit cards and banking penetration. They offer a quick solution for customers to pay on e-commerce websites like Amazon Pay, Phone Pay, Google Pay, etc. Bank transfers. Customer enroll in a internet banking facility can do a bank transfer to pay for online purchases. Wallets. An e-wallet store a customer's personal data and funds, which are then used to purchase from online stores. Direct deposit. A direct deposit is a common payment method for subscription type service such as online classes or purchase made with high price. Cash. It is a payment method often used for physically good and cash on delivery transaction. Why choose Paygate as payment gateway? Paygate, one of the best payment gateway, was established in 1999. With more than 19 years, it consistent payment service delivery. E-commerce is the best way to pay a immediate payment. They have developed into a global payment service provider with satisfied clients in 5 continents, accepting online payment worldwide. They have developed into a global payment supported by the secure state-of-the-art payment system. They help you and your business get the best. Then choose a Paygate as payment gateway. Thank you.